So the objective of the WSI Rover class is to teach kids, first and foremost, how to code and how to think through the whole coding process. You've got this rover and you want to make lights come on. Well, how are you going to do that? What is a variable? What is a constant? What's the difference? And think through the logic involved to make something happen. Before class, we spend probably 3 or 4 months easy. It'll take 2 weeks to 3 weeks solid to get the components on order. Then we also have a lot of kids that show up with our colleagues here at the office. They'll come in and they'll spend 3, 4, 5 hours a day during the summer to help get us over that hurdle to get things done. And we're probably talking 40 to 80 hours that they're spending, and that's on top of the 80 to 120 hours that Lulu and myself spend getting ready. So, I mean, it's quite involved. So the whole WSI Rover project is a week-long class. It's 4 hours every day. And starting day one, we do the introductions. We get to know the kids, what their experience level is, and they get to know us and what our experience level is. Day one is focused on the basic fundamentals of programming, the languages that we're going to be using. And then day two, we start digging into actually writing code. We do like a blink sketch, and then we let them do 2 LEDs on there and how to alternate and basically do a flip-flop circuit that use code to do it versus circuitry. Show them the actual code as to what's actually making the wheels spin, or what's turning your light bars on, or how does the light sensor know that it's too dark in here and needs to turn the headlight on. We have them change the colors so they can pick their own colors for the light bars. We take them through all the basics and we repeat that every day. How would I do that? Wow. Okay.
Not really quote, but the delay 1,000 is equal to a second.
Okay, pause. Pause for however many milliseconds I tell you. And we're saying 1,000 milliseconds.
But then we start getting into the actual build, right? Where we're actually putting the chassis together, the wheels on it, running the jumper wires. So guys, the LiDAR sensor with the curved pin, put the positive wires on one side.
We're taking our second regular wire and we are crimping them, and then we're going to run this wire that is unattached, but the other side we're going to run it up and it's going to connect with this wire.
You can reference this picture right here, okay?
So we introduce them to through-hole soldering, which is the most common. Basically 40 to 50 solder points to do. And a lot of these kids, they've never soldered before, so this is a great way for them to learn. It's a great experience. By the end of that day, we've got a chassis that's ready to have the main controller board put on it. And it's just basically plug and play. We've already flashed it. They did that when they set their LED colors. So they've already flashed their ESP32. We set the MAC address for their PS4 controller. And then we put it into the rover. So by Thursday, they've got a wheels on the ground kind of rover that's actually motoring around. So watch where you walk, because there's a good chance one's going to be around you. By Friday, we're cleaning up any loose ends, and we have our awesome obstacle course. The kids love the obstacle course. It's one of the highlights. They look forward to it. Past 2 years, that thing's just been knocked out of the water. It just keeps getting better and better. Go! But what the kids don't realize up front is that they get to keep the rovers. We don't usually bring that to their attention until midweek or so. I mean, that's just icing on the cake. They're already so enthralled in the development and building of the rover that I don't think they'd much care if they get to keep them or not. But the fact that they get to keep them, that's just over the top. That's what it's all about, especially if they can do something with software and make it do something that's personal to them. That's pretty much it at that point. Kids go home and hopefully they've gained a lot from it. I've learned a lot from it. it's a double-edged sword. I mean, I'm teaching as much as I'm learning, so it works out really well. The objective is that they learn how to program and have fun doing it. I mean, that's the main thing. Every year, it just amazes me at just how great of a team we have, and I just want to thank everybody for making it happen. I guess, we just need to rover up and get ready for next year, right?